So what I've got here is some oversized. This is bigger than number 10 that I scooped out of where I was getting all the gold out of the pocket. Gold Monster 1000, nice and solid. And now the Gold Monster 2000. It seems to hit this a little bit more, a little stronger actually. I scoop again, scoop. It's up on that far end. It's in there. Real loud and distinct. Yeah, still in there. Not in there. It's in here. There it is, boy, it's overloading it. It's a 1 and a 2 on the meter. It's actually not a bad sized piece of gold, but very impressed with how loud it is and how distinct it is. That is not a lot of gold in that rock. All right, so I do have, this is my first target. Let me show you what it's doing on the meter. So far I've been getting ferrous materials. It doesn't sound like it's very deep. I think I have it. In here, still in there, not in there anymore. And there you go, little piece of golden quartz. Where the fuck did it come from? All right, right after that one, this one's 0-0 on the meter. Definitely non-ferrous. This is number 2. Hopefully it's this one. Nope. That's the one. So I'm cutting back through the vein again, but this time I'm further over. There's 2. Ferrous. Undecided. Oh no, now it's iron. Well, it's still back and forth. It's going to non-ferrous. So better dig this one too. That is definitely non-ferrous. And 000 on the meter. Okay, well, we'll find out right now what it is. Finally. One of these rocks. Of course, it's the last one. Yep, another little piece of golden quartz. Poogie. Que pasa? All right, so I am actually kind of impressed with the sensitivity to the small gold. There's one thing that I'm not impressed with, and that is that I can't work within 10 feet of the GPZ. So came all the way down there. That's the shitty thing about working on a freshly dug hillside. Probably this piece right here. Nope. One of those tiny little bastards. This one. Nope. That's insane. Okay, now that truly is quite insane. That was under an inch or two of material and then it slid down the hill, but that is tiny. So as I was saying, this thing is ridiculously sensitive. In fact, I'm going to be able to do this. Tiny little guy right there too. of these. This one. A little bigger. Gold in there somewhere. Yeah, a little bit on the edge. I'm gonna try and recover that one, man. That's unbelievably small. Might have to start wearing headphones. Have it. Barely whispering, man. You wait till you see how small this is. Those are the other ones. I quite literally can't even fucking see that. But it was... I gotta look at that one with my headset. Unbelievable.